I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Xerox 5855 model and its current firmware. This prevents installing the wrong package. Once confirmed, download the exact firmware file to a PC on the same LAN. The printer's web interface requires that exact build. Make sure you log in with an administrator account and use a wired Ethernet link to avoid interruptions. While connecting, note the device IP address and current settings so you can restore them if needed. This saves troubleshooting time later. You now open the printer's embedded web server by typing its IP into a browser and logging in as admin. Next, navigate to the software update or firmware section and upload the firmware file you downloaded. The interface validates the file before proceeding. Once you hit update, watch progress closely and avoid power cycling or interrupting the network connection, because an incomplete flash can corrupt the boot image. If prompted, allow the device to reboot automatically, so the new firmware initializes cleanly. After the reboot, you verify the new firmware version in the EWS or on the printer's control panel. This confirms success. Then run a test print and exercise key functions like scan and network printing to ensure services resumed correctly. If settings reverted, restore the saved configuration and reapply network parameters. If the device fails to boot or behaves erratically, try a safe mode recovery or reflash through service mode per Xerox guidance. That's the primary troubleshooting path when a standard update fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.